Hey everybody, this is JJ in Las Vegas. This week I want to share with you another little improvement. Right here is our video conference, our Polycom, in our conference room, and every time we've got to set up video conference for a meeting, we have our speaker right here, and we usually pull this out and then set it over here on the table like this, and then you hit the button, and you're good to go. It creates this cord that's always hanging down, kind of a problem. So come up with a quick little fix and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and here we go. Got a little visual control, and anytime you need to use it, you just come up and push the button. Speaker works great. I already pre-tested it, and it works just fine. Cord doesn't have to drag down across the floor anymore. Looks a lot cleaner, simpler. So there's my improvement, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.